Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we will try to extract the data from another format of the invoice. And as you can see, there are two line items in the table here. We will try to extract the data from this table and see the output in the Excel. Alright, so let me just quickly log into Rosum tool. And we will have to import the document. Start reviewing it. Again, I have chosen a very simple format in which we just have two line items in the table. So to start with, the invoice number, invoice date, due date, all have been picked up by the Rosum tool already. What I'm more interested in into these two table items. So for that, I'll have to go and see line items. You can already see that there are two items it has picked up already. Clicking on grid icon, and I'll just expand it a little bit. You can see it has picked up the descriptions from the description column. Quantity, tax rate, total amount. All these values have been picked up already. There would be some standard columns which Rosum tool will have, and if the invoice doesn't have data against it or the columns are not present, it will leave it blank. Some invoices will have the tax amount as well along with the rate, and it will pick up that in this column. As you can see, even though the column name is tax here, it has picked up the tax rate correctly, identifying that it is shown into the percentage. Another interesting fact I will like to show here, that's vendor name. See, vendor name, it has not picked up for this format. In case we wanted to pick up, ideal way is to pick it up from here, but I want to try it from the logo this time. For that, I just have to click on this field and highlight this area where the logo is. See, the spelling it has not picked up correctly. Sometimes it does not process the images, fancy images I would say, perfectly, and we might have to make some corrections here. But once I do that, the data is correct. Again, vendor address, it has just taken Maharashtra. In case I want more details to be here, I'll just click on this and highlight the entire area. When I select this, the entire address has been picked up. Again, if I want to include the address of the buyer, I'll have to do it in notes field because we do not have any corresponding field for it. So I'll just pick up this data and put it into the notes field. And that is it. Say confirm and go to exported and export this. Just select this document. Open the Excel. See, this is how it looks. It has got two rows now because we had two line items in the table. Description, total amount, tax rate, quantity, all this data has been picked up. So that is it. This data now is useful for the further processing. In our next few videos, I'll try to include more complex formats of the invoices, wherein we will have the table data extending from first page to multiple pages, and we'll see the results, how it picks up that. Thank you. See you there.